Hey guys, how's it going? And I'm back. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to connect wired controller to Nintendo Switch Lite. So it's very easy where you can use enhanced wired controller from Nintendo Switch to supporting Nintendo Switch Lite. I'm sorry if there was a shaking on my camera. Don't know why. At least I got two wires and the gaming controller that I'm gonna show you. So we got an enhanced wired controller from Nintendo Switch, and also we do have a USB wire and where you can connecting to a gaming controller from a Nintendo Switch. And also I do have a USB extender which is very long. Look at this. I don't know why I just bought. I think it's called Teeth or Tools that you need to get this one. It's a USB-C to female adapter where you can connect it to a gaming controller over there. Let's just connecting to this. So you're gonna use a wire USB connecting to a female adapter. Okay, in the end you can connecting to a gaming controller over there. It's just it actually works. Okay, so I'm trying to focusing on the camera where I can play some Nintendo Switch Lite. Oh, it's a very good quality, I would say. Well, okay, so this game looks pretty epic, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think about connect to a wired controller to Nintendo Switch Lite. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I'll see you guys soon. Have a great day, peace out, and stay awesome.